considered outcast by the whole class as a kid, but I found that life is all about the bounce back. Ain't a house cat, I'm a feral animal set to snap like a mousetrap. Living through a movie while writing a fucking soundtrack. Blew up in my city and every city around that, and brought the motherfucking ruckus anywhere the crowd's at. See, this one is for the kids in detention, who they're telling not to fidget while they sit through a lesson, who getting hassled and bullied until they live with depression. It's fits of aggression, a bottling and build with the tension. He'll never leave an impression, that's what his teachers would tell him, and gave him medicine, but really he just needed direction. And so he channeled it and learned to make his weakness a weapon. And that's the kid who's looking at me when I see my reflection.